Severe thunders. Here's another look from our CBS 19 on-scene camera. Just saw some trees down in Frankston. There you go. There's, a bunch of branches there, a couple trees uprooted, more branches. Looks like they're scattered. That would suggest that there is some, that would be straight line wind damage just from that aspect. We'll see if they're going to come up here on this emergency vehicle. We'll see what they've got. They've got an emergency vehicle back behind that house. Again, that's just one quick look as it was going by the road. If there is some damage back here, could have been a small tornado that then would have tossed those other tree branches and scattered them. So the CBS 19 on-scene unit is in Frankston right now. There's Highway Patrol. Okay, and we've got some emergency management trucks down there. It looks like there may be some other ones down at the end of that. Oh, lots of trees down from that vantage point there. We don't know what street those are, but looks like they've already got backhoes out clearing the streets off of that street. Boy, pretty good broken tree there. State trooper blocking that roadway, keeping folks out. But yeah, so we've had some severe thunderstorm wind gusts that have produced some damage. This is in the Frankston area. This was much earlier this afternoon, right here out of Henderson County into Smith County. And then it rolled across. This is part of that same cell. I've tracked this the whole way here. It's saying this had about 70-mile-an-hour winds, and it's still potentially producing some 70-mile-an-hour winds as it moved through Henderson. Now we're getting reports of some trees down in Tyler, South Robertson and Sunnybrook. So we got some trees down South Robertson and Sunnybrook. All right, so look at the trees snapped by the very strong winds. That's Good Shepherd Anglican Church. You can see these trees are broken, snapped, and so it was either straight line winds. That would right now looks like it's straight line winds. The church doesn't have any damage to it, so it looks like there could have been 70-mile-an-hour winds that rolled through parts of Smith County. And again, we're going to go back here to Frankston, and we can see just the way the trees are scattered around like this. We either had some kind of, I'm not going to call it downburst winds because the thunderstorm didn't fall apart, but straight line winds. That when we saw the Boeing segment that went into parts of Cherokee County, we may have some wind damage also in Cherokee County that we'll have to check on. But those winds were sampling 70 to 75 miles an hour, and that again is off the surface. But the National Weather Service issuing the severe thunderstorm warning had the hazard at 70 miles an hour. So if we wanted to break back into programming with any of these pictures, let me know. I would easily do that and just bring everybody up to date with a quick update on everything, just because we're getting great pictures here. We want to maybe push toward our 5 o'clock newscast so that folks can see this. Yeah, let me know.